Hello. In this tutorial we'll be exploring the most commonly used settings for the initial installation of OilWatcher, the online oil and water monitor developed by Clearview Sensing Incorporated. We'll take a look at settings for measurement frequency, water type, cleaning, and communication protocol selection. Upon startup, OilWatcher performs an initialization sequence. This initialization and introduction will be skipped in future tutorials. OilWatcher was developed for real-time monitoring of hydrocarbon concentrations in produced and processed waters. The sensor can detect both natural and processed oil and fuel types, such as gasoline, motor oil, and crude oil. The patented dual-modal imaging technology allows for a significantly expanded range of measurable oil and water concentrations, while still retaining industry standards for accuracy. The startup sequence will initialize any valves on the unit and warm up the lights if the unit has not been operated in the last hour. We'll now skip to the end of the warm-up sequence and take a look at the settings. After initialization, OilWatcher will begin taking measurements. When a sample is being analyzed, the user is unable to interact with the control panel. When the measurement is complete, the user can click Pause and then Settings. Alternatively, pause can be clicked during the measurement and the command will be processed as soon as the measurement is complete. With the settings open, the left column labels each setting. The center column lists the current setting, and the buttons on the right allow for setting changes. First is the measurement cycle. The measurement frequency can be set for as quickly as 30 seconds or as long as desired. 60 seconds between measurements is the recommended setting. Water type can be selected as stable or unstable. If varying concentrations of solids or gas bubbles are expected, the unit should be set to unstable water mode. In this mode, a reference file will be used to map the behavior of the oil, and a calibration file will be used to add specific points found from sample analyses. The OilWatcher benchtop model is recommended for grab sample analysis of specific points to be added to the calibration file. More will be discussed on calibrations and the associated files in the calibration tutorial. The next setting for initial setup is for cleaning. The automated cleaning models of OilWatcher must be configured for optimum cleaning conditions. Once the cleaning loop is installed, automated cleaning can be enabled. The recommended interval is every 4 hours for 10 minutes as a baseline. With high oil content or solids-laden waters, this interval may need to be set at a shorter frequency and longer duration. Measurement beginning after 60 seconds is a standard setting for any flow rate over 1 gallon per minute. The Cleaning Now option is also available for on-site maintenance. This cleaning protocol is recommended after the unit has been brush cleaned and after the cleaning solution is changed. Next are communication protocols. In this setting menu, the user can select desired communication methods from the list of 4 to 20 mA, Modbus RS-485, and TCP/IP. The Modbus output can be configured to communicate with the PLC being used in the specific application. After the preferred method of communication has been selected, please click Save to activate. Thank you for following along with this OilWatcher initial settings tutorial. Please visit www.clearviewsensing.com for more information on our products and methods for contacting our team of support specialists. Goodbye.